Before we get started on today's okonomiyaki, I wanted to share with you one that I had in Osaka. The okonomiyaki was delicious. It honestly felt like there were more okonomiyaki shops than there were konbinis. Okonomiyaki means grilled as you like, and I've always loved that. It's not a dish that needs to be cooked a certain way or look a certain way. It doesn't demand perfection. You make it to suit your own taste, your mood, your life even. The version I'm making today is thinner and crispier, exactly how I like it. If you had okonomiyaki before, let me know what your preference is in the comments below. Lately, I've been thinking about choosing experiences that actually feel right for me, and living a life that matches who I am and who I want to become. Okonomiyaki kind of reminds me of that. You take what you have, you mix it together, and you let it become whatever it becomes. The one I had in Osaka was fluffy and picture perfect. The one I made here is simpler, a little imperfect, but honestly, I kind of love it that way.